Well, somewhere down the line, I manifested this downfall of Trinamool. I will tell the exact date. It was 2nd May 2021. And after the results were declared, there was hooliganism all over. These TMC bastards did hooliganism all over. They thrashed, they killed BJP workers, and now they have been reduced to peanuts. I have just come here to watch their downfall. Nothing more than that. See, this is not a conventional, this is not a conventional weed. This is not a conventional crowd of TMC. They have been reduced. They have been reduced to peanuts. They have been reduced. They are now blaming their own leaders. They are using slangs against their own old leaders. So this political party is completely finished, and I have manifested this downfall of TMC a long ago. I'm happy that they have been reduced. When you are in power, you have to make good use of power. Without making a good use of power, when you're reduced from the power, you have to face the situations. So this is a lesson for every political party in India, that you are voted by the people. In a democracy, by the people, of the people, for the people. You cannot become bigger than the people. Whenever you try to become bigger than the people, they will reduce you to your original form, that is zero. So from more than 200 seats, now TMC have been reduced to around 80, and there have been division in TMC. They have been divided into 3 parts. So this is the power of people. This is the power of people. Previously, this TMC party used to organize this 21st July near Esplanade, and now they have been given this small space. Trust me, if this things goes on, then the next Shohid Divas will be organized in Sonagachi. Trust me, they have been reduced to peanuts. Neither they have any ideology, nor they wanted to develop any ideology. They spread hatred throughout the 15 years. No development. And the result is in front of you all. They have been reduced to a peanuts.